The purpose of this video is to give you a brief outline of my higher French um, IB resources section. So in that section, you can see that you've got some links that could direct you to purchase the books that I have chosen to do with my students. There's only 2 books at the moment, but hopefully I should be able to add a third very soon. So stay tuned and visit the page again. In terms of those pages, the way it works is very simple. Once you click on the page of either the Little Prince or Albert Camus, you will land on a page where you've got tasks that are cut in chapter by chapter or groups of chapters that make sense within the narrative of the book. You will find that for each section, you have some introduction tasks and some chapter reading help questions analysis to help you analyze the content of the chapter and understand the chapter, and then some reflection on the significance of those in terms of, for example, themes and narrative techniques and so on. You will also notice that most of those documents have got a little link at the bottom. This link leads to an online forum that anyone can join, students or teachers. If you're students, stay with me in a second. I'm going to explain how it works. So once you're in your document that you'd like to use, you can make a copy of that document and type your annotations with this document. If you want then to share your work, you can just go in the corresponding section of those chapters and post your thoughts about this. Here you can see some work of my students that have been working on this and have shared their thoughts in the past. You can respond to them, you can converse with them, and I think that's a great opportunity to actually use French to communicate in the target language. So excellent opportunity there. If you are a teacher, um, you might be, in fact, interested in joining this community as well to either become a moderator or becoming a helper on the forum to help us put some further resources in there. So if you want to do so, just post a little message in that section if you'd like to become a moderator. If you'd like to purchase the resources, the link is at the bottom of my website, and you can visit my TES website shop that you will find resources about the IB. They are, I believe, reasonably priced, and let me know if you feel that you cannot or your school cannot afford it, or if you'd like to do further partnership with me, then contact me. Or there, you've got my details again at the bottom of my website. So I hope you found this useful. It was a very quick overview, and I hope that you will embark on the adventure with me.